67 we consider this is 70. It means we are adding plus 3. And also 93 we will add again 3. So 93 become 96. So 6 minus 0 is a 6. 9 minus 7 is a what? 2. So our right answer is 26. Welcome to Saad Educare. Today's topic, two-digit subtraction. Suppose 23 minus 11. Very easy. 3 minus 1 is a 2. 2 minus 1 is a 1. So right answer is 12. But how about 29, or we can say 27 minus 9. So 9 we cannot subtract from 7. Therefore we need to take something. So our this video main concept, how to subtract very easy way. We will discuss 3 method. Method 1, which is very popular. We know if two digit 1 and 2, the unit digit we can say ones and second digit we can say tens, right? Suppose 25, this is 5 and this is 20. It means 25. So this 7 we need something. What? Suppose we can take from this 2. So 2 is a tens, right? This is a tens. So we take here, we take 1 from 2. So 1 means 10. So 10 plus 7, this one become 17, right? And this 2 become 1. Now 17 minus 9 is a 8, and this 1 direct here. So answer is 18. Let's practice more bigger. Suppose 42 minus 16. Here is also similar thing. We cannot subtract the 6 from 2. So we take something from 4. So this 4 become 3 and 1 become here. So it will become 12. So 12 minus 6 is a 6 and 3 minus 1 is a 2. So this is a first method. Okay, method first. How about second method? Similar thing. 42 minus 16. So we cannot subtract this 6 from 2. So we need to take something. Let's see, this is 2, we consider this is 12 because we take 1. So 12 minus 6 is a 6. This one we will add here. So 1 become 2. So 4 minus 2 is a 2. So answer is 26. Let's practice another one. Suppose 53 minus 19. Okay, so these 3 we consider 13. So 13 minus 9 is a 4, and this 1 we will add with this one. So 1 plus 1 is a 2, right? So 5 minus 2 is a 3. So our right answer is 34. So let's practice another one. Suppose 51 minus 18. We will try to solve two methods, first method and second method. 51 minus 18. First method, we will take or borrow from this 5. So this 5 become 4 and the 1 become tens. It means this is 11. So 11 minus 8 is a 3. 4 minus 1 is a 3. Okay, and here this one we consider this is 11. So 11 minus 8 is a 3, and this one we add with this one, so 1 become 2. So 5 minus 2 is a 3. So we are discussing two methods. Let's discuss another method. Method 3. Basically, I love this method. Suppose 51 minus 18. We know about round table. It means 18 round table is 20. So 18 we will add 2. This is 20. Similar, 51 we will add 2. It will become 53. Now let's subtract. 3 minus 0 is a 3, and 5 minus 2 is a 3. Okay, let's practice another one, similar thing. Suppose here is 42 minus 16. Let's 42 minus 16. So this 6 become 20 plus 4. 42 also plus 4, right? So plus 4. So 42 plus 4 is a 46. So 6 minus 0 is a 6. 4 minus 2 is a 2. So it means what? 26. Let's practice another one. Suppose 93 minus 67. It's a big thing. 67 we consider this is 70. It means we are adding plus 3. And also 93 we will add again 3. So 93 become 96. So 6 minus 0 is a 6. 9 minus 7 is a what? 2. So our right answer is 26. Now let me know which method is perfect for your kids. Please don't pressurize them. Make practice. Day 1 tough, 2 tough, 3 tough, but one day a subtraction will be very easy for them. So never pressurize them. Thank you. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel, which is Saad Educare. Thank you.